Hello dear students, today our topic is logarithms. This is your 8th chapter, and before moving on to logarithms, let us discuss about the exponential form. You people have discussed in 8th standard about the exponential form. Like if I am having a number 3 raised to power 4, what does it mean? It means 3 is getting multiplied by itself 4 times. So the answer is 81. So what we can write is 3 raised to power 4 is 81. This form is known as exponential form. This form is exponential form. So whenever we are going to convert this into logarithm form, we keep the number at the same place, 81 as it is. Base. What is the term? This term is known as base. This is the power, index or exponent. This is the number. So here when we take a log of number 81, the base 3 will remain at the same position. It is in the base and the answer is 4. The same thing, this is known as logarithmic form. Again, if I am having a number a raised to power b is c, then what we can write is log of c. What is base? Base is a. It is equal to b. This is exponential form and this is logarithmic form. It implies this step and this implies this step. These two forms are interchangeable. Means you can always write this thing in log form and you can always write log form into exponential form. So these two forms are interchangeable. Logarithm is a very vast topic which is mostly used in physics, chemistry in higher classes. Where if anyone is going to opt for electrical engineering, then also it is very useful. But here you consider this thing that if a raised to power b is c, then a log of a c is equal to b. Writing base here is very important. Just as writing base in this equation, no? If we write 2 raised to power 3, what is the answer? 2 into 2 into 2, that means 8. So whenever we have written this 2 is known as base. Here 3 is power, index, exponent. You can call it anything. Here the value is 8. But when we take the log, 8 को लिखो सबसे पहले, then write a log over here. Very simple. Answer, write on the answer, then write on the log over here. Then what is the base? Base is 2. So write base here near the log and smaller than the number 8. Answer is the remain. This index is the answer. So this is the thing. Log 8 to the base 2. We can read it like this. Log 8 to the base 2 is 3. So always keep this thing very clear that whenever you are having a term log 8, it is a single term. This is not a term like log multiply by 8. This is not like this. This is a single term. Suppose you are having 2 log 8 over log 8. Here log 8 and log 8 can get cancelled because 2 is getting multiplied with log 8 over here in the numerator, and in the denominator log 8 is there. So they will get cancelled and the answer will be 2. Or if you are having log 8 over 8, you cannot cancel this 8 with this 8. This is completely wrong. Students usually do these kind of mistakes. You cannot cancel it. So dear students, so this is the basic law. B raised to power c is a. It implies the number c kept on the right hand side and log a to the base b is c. For getting this concept clear, I have taken an example. I have taken this example of 2 raised to power 4 is 16, which implies log 16 to the base 2 is 4. But converting from log form to exponential form follows a certain rule. Suppose I am having journal result log a to the base b is equal to c. Let's convert this into exponential form. Start from this b, move to side c, and then ending point is a. Write down like this. B term is first, so b raised to power c is a. So this is the exponential result. I have written an example over here. Log 10, log base 10, and 1 over here is 0. So what will be the term? First term is 10. We will start the question. For writing in exponential form, we will start from 10. 10 raised to power this thing 0 is equal to 1. Let's take another example. Log 20 and 20 over here is 1. So first of all, we will start from this number 20, then move to this number raised to power 1, then move to this number is equal to 20. Very simple. One more example. Log 0.5 16 is minus 4. What is the answer? 0.5, the first number, move here, raised to power minus 4 and move back to here. It is 16. Log form, exponential form. Exponential form and log form, they are reversible. You can always interchange the steps. So this was the basic. I hope this is clear to you. And one result I want to tell you, that always log b a is equal to c implies and implied to b raised to power c is equal to a. This result, which I have written on the top of this board here, has certain conditions. So these conditions are always a should be greater than 0. It should be positive. Should be positive. Right? This a should be positive. This b, this base b, it should be greater than 0. And b should not be equal to 1. B should not be equal to 1, but for your clarification, you can take 0.5, 0.2 or 0.9, but not equal to 1. B should be greater than 0, not equal to 1. Decimal numbers can exist, and it should always be positive. A cannot be negative. This number should never be negative. Log and the number associated with it, this number should never be negative. It should always be positive. No negative of log exists. So a negative of log doesn't exist. Anytime you get the answer in negative, or you have a question like log of minus 2, so you have to write it doesn't exist. So another thing is log 1 to the base 10 is always 0. This is the result. You can write this result in your copy also. This result, log 1 to the base 10 is 0, and it implies, अब इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए यू कैन ऑलवेज से 10 की पावर क्या लिखोगे कि 1 आंसर आएगा. 10 की पावर क्या लिखोगे, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क है. What you will raise the power of 10 to get 1? It will always be 0. Suppose I am having log 49 1 0. What 49 should be raised to? क्या पावर होगी इसकी यहाँ पे कि आंसर हमारे पास 1 नहीं है, यहाँ पे इसका आंसर 1 आ जाए. It is 0, always 0. So log 1 to the base 10 या log 1 to any base, it is always 0 whether it is associated with any of the bases 10, 4, 5, 49, 50, any base. So in general log of any number to the same base is 1 because log 10 is 1, log 20 to the base 20 is 1 because 20 raised to power 1 is 20, because 10 raised to power 1 is 10, log 60 is 1. So log of any number to the same base is 1. This is the result. The next one is the properties of logarithms. The very first property is log of A plus log of B is log of AB. Right? Log of A एक टर्म है और log of B दूसरी टर्म है. जब दो log ऐड हो रहे होते हैं तो वो log AB बन जाता है. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. ये नहीं आपने लिखना log कॉमन कर लिया और A प्लस बी अंदर लिख दिया. दिस इज कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग. You will always write log A plus log B and the answer will be the product of these two numbers only. For example, log of 7 plus log of 3. It will be equal to log of 7 into 3 but in bracket. It is equal to log of 21. This is the answer. Another example, log of 2 plus log of 9. It is equal to log of 2 into 9. It is equal to log of 18. This is the answer. I haven't taken log as common. This is totally absurd. This is wrong. Second property. Second property is log of A minus log of B is log of A over B. Log A minus log B is log of A by B. दोनों में पॉजिटिव साइन है तो प्रोडक्ट, दोनों में नेगेटिव साइन है तो डिवीजन. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल log of 81 minus log of 9. It is equal to log of 81 over 9 but in bracket. You can always simplify this bracket. Log of 9 is the answer. Log 9 is answer. But some people do mistakes like this. Log of 81 minus log of 9 is equal to log of 81 over log of 9. This is wrong. Totally wrong. You cannot do this step. Third property, log A raised to the power B but in bracket. Here A raised to power B is in bracket. It is equal to B log A. This power moves to the front side of log. This is known as power rule. Log A raised to power B is B log A. Suppose you are having a sum log 7 raised to power 3. Bracket over here. The answer is 3 log 7. But log 7 and here 3, it doesn't mean the same thing what is written up over here. It can be log 7, it can be read like this or it can be read like this. So both are different. Whenever you are having log 7 raised to power 3, it means log 7 is getting multiplied by itself 3 times. 3 times log 7 is getting multiplied, but is never equal to 3 log 7. This is not equal to 3 log 7. 3 log 7 या फिर power rule is only applicable when there is a bracket, like 2 raised to power 3 over here. You can write 3 log 2. Power rule is applicable when this part is on the number. When this part is on log, this is the separate thing. This means log 2 and log multiply by itself thrice. So these are the 3 properties of logarithm, and these properties exercises B exercise 8B exercise, it is totally based on these properties. So first exercise is totally based on the concept of logarithm expression and exponential expression. So first few questions are like this. If 5 raised to power 3, 8th of A exercise, first question, first part. If 5 raised to power 3 is 125, so write it in the log form. तो सिंपल है बेटा, log form. ये नंबर मैंने क्या बोला था, write this number directly over here on the left side, write down log with this, and here what is the base? 5, write base over here, and the answer is 3. This is the answer. Second question, write log in exponential form. Second question, first part. Log of 0.125 to the base 8 is equal to -1. So इसके लिए क्या स्टेप बताया मैंने? Start from here, move to this side of equal to and come back to this side. So it is implied signs rule लगाना, इधर भी और इधर भी. 8 raised to power -1 is equal to 0.125. ये वैसे अगर सॉल्व करने जाओ, 8 raised to power -1 मतलब 1/8, 1/8 मतलब 1 को आप 8 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो. So this thing is very difficult for us. So by taking log, it becomes very easier for us. Next one. Third question, find x if log x to the base 10 is -2. So it implies 10 raised to power -2 is equal to x. It implies x is equal to 10 raised to power -2. It implies x is equal to 1 over 10 raised to power 2. It implies x is equal to 1 over 100, or you can write x is equal to 0.01. So this is x. This is the answer. Another question. Question 4, 6th part. We are having log 1/16 to the base 4. The question is to find the value of this log term. So what we do, whenever this type of question comes now, so you write let this is equal to x. हम ले लेते हैं कि चलो ये x इसकी वैल्यू है. This is the answer. So then our question will be easier. Base, move from here to this side and from this side. Simple. It implies 4 raised to power x is equal to 1/16. It implies 4 raised to power x is 1/4 into 4. It implies 4 raised to power x is 1/4 square. It implies 4 raised to power x is 4 raised to power -2, right? So now bases and same, you know, when bases are same, the powers get equated, or you can write a law over here. If a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n, then m is equal to n. So therefore x is equal to -2. Therefore log 1/16 to the base 4 is equal to -2. Answer. Very easy. So dear students, all questions are very much similar. What we have discussed, only this law is applicable in this exercise. But in this 11th question, maybe I think 10th question also having one question like this. Log one term plus log another term. We have to find x in this question. Log a plus log b is log ab. X -1 into x plus 1 is equal to log this. Or I have told you that anything with any base, if there is a term log 1, it is 0. So log x square minus 1. Why so? Because you know that this is an identity. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square means x square minus 1 square. So x square minus 1 is over here. और 0 को हम फिर से लिख सकते हैं. It is equal to log of 1. So when log a is equal to log b, it implies a is equal to b. इसको बॉक्स में लिखो या फिर कॉपी के टॉप पे लिखो आप. इसके बाद वाला स्टेप यहाँ पे है x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 1. यहाँ इट इम्प्लाइज लगा देंगे, राइट. सो हेयर x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 1, x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2, x इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ 2. हेयर x cannot be equal to minus under root 2 because minus under root 2 value of log does not exist. So therefore x is equal to plus under root 2 answer. Okay, that's all for today.